Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Ethereum Classic price prediction and Ethereum Classic news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Ethereum Classic in 2022. Ethereum Classic is a hard fork of Ethereum that launched in July 2016. Its main function is as a smart contract network, with the ability to host and support decentralized applications. Its native token is Ethereum Classic. Since its launch, Ethereum Classic has sought to differentiate itself from Ethereum, with the two networks' technical roadmap diverging further and further from each other with time. Ethereum Classic first set out to preserve the integrity of the existing Ethereum blockchain after a major hacking event led to the theft of 3,600,000 Ethereum. On Thursday, the Interchain Foundation, a nonprofit steward of the Cosmos ecosystem, announced the release of Interchain accounts. The Inter-Blockchain Communications Protocol enables an entire blockchain to control an account on a separate chain. It is the largest software upgrade to the Cosmos ecosystem since Stargate. To date, there are 38 projects utilizing IBC, including Terra, Crypto.org Chain and Gravity Bridge, with 8,400,000 transactions in the past 38 days. With interchain accounts, one blockchain can access the application features of another blockchain, such as staking, voting, swapping tokens, etc. Enabling composability in IBC allows innovation in distinct applications to be deployed without needing to upgrade the entire interchain, said Charlene Fay, IBC product lead at the Interchain Foundation. The same day, DeBridge, a cross-chain interoperability and liquidity transfer protocol, announced the launch of its mainnet. Through DeBridge, users will be able to transfer assets and data between blockchain networks starting with Ethereum, BNB Chain, Heco Chain, Arbitrum, and Polygon. For example, Solana users can interact with protocols in Polygon directly from their Phantom wallets without switching wallets or networks. Similar to Cosmos interchain accounts, projects can also integrate with DeBridge's infrastructure to tap into the various cross-chain opportunities the protocol enables, such as asset swaps and transfers, governance voting, farming strategies, non-fungible tokens, Oracle data, and much more. DeBridge has been audited by Halborn, Zokio, and Aki Blockchain and maintains an ongoing bug bounty program on ImmuneFE. In addition to its public mainnet, DeBridge is launching its official partnerships with decentralized exchange aggregators 1inch and Paraswap for cross-chain swaps. DeBridge uses a lock and mint approach that continuously validates the current state of the protocol and checks if the total supply of the wrapped asset is entirely backed by its collateral. If a wrapped asset loses its peg, security monitoring can automatically pause the protocol. Validator nodes also continuously update the state of the token balances on each supported blockchain and never allow total withdrawals of an asset to exceed its total deposits. Canada's Royal Canadian Mounted Police appear to be targeting crypto addresses funding the Freedom Convoy protests over vaccine mandates for truckers. On February 16, several reports said that the RCMP, also known as the Mounties, was barring firms registered with FINTRAC, Canada's anti-money laundering authority, from transacting with 34 cryptocurrency addresses. FINTRAC registration is a requirement for all money services businesses operating in Canada. A copy of the apparent alert emerged on Twitter the same day. Neither the RCMP nor FINTRAC had responded to the bloc's requests for confirmation as of press time. Several compliance officials at FINTRAC-registered cryptocurrency firms Coinberry and Coinsmart had also not returned requests for comment. BitBuy, another FINTRAC-registered exchange, confirmed to the block that the firm had received the emergency order. Chief Compliance Officer Torstein Braiden said in a statement, "The possibility that crypto is being used for fundraising makes it relevant to include. However, the FINTRAC rules already apply to Canadian crypto trading platforms. This regulation does not change what compliant Canadian crypto trading platforms are already doing today with surveillance and reporting." The order targets cryptocurrency donations being collected in relation to illegal acts falling under the scope of the Emergency Measures Act. Specifically, that entails 29 Bitcoin addresses, as well as individual Ether, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Cardano and Monero addresses. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau invoked the 1988 Emergencies Act on February 14 for the first time in the law's history. The emergency in question was a rash of protests by truckers, which have blocked off large sections of the Canadian capital Ottawa and the Windsor-Detroit border crossing. On the day of the announcement, Police reopened the Ambassador Bridge after clearing protesters, including several arrests. They began as a reaction to vaccine requirements on the country's truckers but soon expanded to incorporate broad anger at Canada's anti-COVID provisions. Trudeau has blamed the protests on American funders in support. At the time of the emergency declaration, Trudeau's deputy, Chrystia Freeland, ordered crowdfunding platforms to comply with anti-money laundering provisions. She also spotlit the role of cryptocurrencies. Of writing. Its market capitalization is currently around $6.9 billion, and its 24-hour trading volume is $3 billion. The price of Ethereum Classic falls for the fourth day in a row as prices for other crypto assets recover. At the time of writing, Ethereum Classic has fallen to $59.90, which is about 72% below the annual maximum. Despite this, the crypto asset recorded a positive price movement during today's early trading session. A few weeks ago, etc. witnessed a huge price increase that reached impressive price regions. This was due to the fact that retail investors rushed to buy the coin when the leading Ethereum coin was growing to its historical maximum of about $4,000. The Ethereum coin plays an important role in the lifetime of Ethereum Classic, as it is considered a replacement for a relatively expensive token. Despite this correlation, the depreciation of etc. was more noticeable than that of ETH. The losses of Ethereum Classic increased dramatically overnight when market participants raised questions about the security and confidentiality of virtual currencies. This was after the FBI managed to get the cryptocurrency out of the Colonial Pipeline scandal. In the period from June 24 to June 6, the price of etc. fell by 9%. Fortunately, the steady decline in prices could not overcome the 79% Fibonacci retracement level at $49. The crypto coin recorded a rapid price reversal from the swing low of $49.50, pushing it up by 33% to the level of $60.10, where it is currently trading. According to the 24-hour chart of Ethereum Classic, its price movement managed to overcome the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at $61.70 before returning to where it is currently trading. If the crypto coin manages to close the day above the 12-hour candle, the ongoing price consolidation will disappear to set the stage for a rally. In this case, traders should expect that the bullish growth of Ethereum Classic will break through the swing lows to $72. Looking back, we can say that this growth will be 15% higher than its current purchase price. Since the uptrend is not limited, the growth of Ethereum Classic may try to bypass its recent high of $79.12 to settle in the price range of $83. This will be an extreme case of bullish movement. On the contrary, if etc. fails to stay afloat at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at $62, a bearish trend will appear. Such a movement will indicate increased pressure from sellers or weak buying activity.